Now, equations of rotational motion. We have already done equations of motion in the linear motion, that is in a kinematics. There were like a v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. All these equations we have done in kinematics, that is in a linear motion. Now, similarly, we can write the equations of rotational motion. Here we will take angular velocity omega, angular acceleration alpha, and then the time as usual, that is t. So, first equation can be written here, omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Here omega naught is a initial angular velocity and omega is a final angular velocity, and alpha is angular acceleration, that is uniform acceleration. We can write theta is equal to theta naught plus omega naught t plus half alpha t square, that is theta minus theta naught is equal to omega naught t plus half alpha t square. So, this equation is corresponding to this. Here angular displacement theta minus theta naught, omega naught is initial angular velocity, alpha is angular acceleration. Now, the third equation can be also written omega square is equal to omega naught square plus twice of alpha. Here we can take here theta, this is angular displacement. So, these are the three equations of rotational motion. So, we can apply these three equations of motion for solving the questions related to rotational motion, angular velocity, that means, and angular acceleration.